Hello, welcome back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. As you can see right in front of you there, we've got a nice big whole fish. I'm using this sea bass today. Fish, you can do this in your oven, you can do it on the barbecue. I've done mine on the barbecue, wrapped in silver foil, garlic, butter, divine. Okay, sea bass. It's been cleaned, means all the inside's been cleaned out, it's been descaled and trimmed on the edges, the little fins and what have you, ready to go. That's a 2 kg fish. It's quite a big fish, you know, it's like, there's my hand there, my arm. So I think 2 kg is 4.4 pound. This is beautiful. Let's get on with it. Okay, so the next step is we're going to salt it. We're going to get quite a lot of salt on there. Now, can you see what I've done here? I've cut down there just a little bit, just down to the bone, just slightly. I've done that all the way down and on the other side as well. So be quite generous with your salt here, and then just sort of rub it in. See if you can get it in there, into those little gaps. A nice amount of salt. I'm going to flip that over now and do the other side. And of course you can see I've cut those slits on this side as well. And I'm just going to pop some salt in the center. I'll flip it back over. Beautiful. Let's move on. So just set the fish aside very simply. We've got butter, black pepper, garlic and parsley. I'm using the flat leaf parsley. Chop that up nicely. And I've got like 2 tablespoons of garlic there and maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter. What we're going to do is simply give that a little mix. If your butter's too hard, pop it in the microwave, 30 seconds, it will soften it. We'll get that together. Okay, so I've melted that butter down. It was a bit hard. Black pepper. Let's pop all that garlic in there. We're then going to get the parsley in there. Got a little spoon here. Just roughly mix that around, and then we're back to our fish. So easy. So we've got the fish nice and cleaned, cut the slits in it. We've got a nice amount of salt on there. As you can see, I've got this on 2 pieces of foil or aluminium foil, whatever you call that. Nothing to it. What we're going to do, we're just going to get this butter, this lovely garlic butter here. Just open it up. Some inside. I've then got to flip it over. And then same on the other side here. Then we're going to cover it with 2 more pieces, or enough to cover the fish right over. Back in a moment. Okay, and there you go. You can see that I've wrapped that up. Got a nice parcel there. I've double wrapped it. Now, if you want, you can get that in your oven. I'm actually going to put this on my barbecue grill. This size fish on my grill is going to be about 25 to 30 minutes on a nice low flame. I'll see you when it comes out. I'll leave some details below about oven temperatures if you're going to use it like a gas or electric oven. See you in a bit. "25, 27 minutes. Beautiful. Let me unwrap it. Remember, I double wrapped it. It smells gorgeous, that garlic butter. Give us a second. Okay, there you go. The silver foil or the aluminium was a little bit sticky, so just let it cool down just a little bit and it comes off nicely. I've dressed that, as you can see, a bit of onion, chili, tomato, lemon, parsley. That is really wonderful. That is going to be just delicious. I can't wait to eat some of this. So very simple. Fish in your oven or on your barbecue like me. Garlic, butter. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, please. Leave us a comment. We'd like to know you're cool. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.